Oh my God.
Vamos! No, wait! Break! Jump it! Just open it. Ago, the great one!
Welcome, my sons and daughters.
Thank you, the great one. Believe we are here with what you instructed us to bring for the sacrifice.
Congratulations! Your wishes has already been done. I order you people to bring me a virgin. Are you sure she is a virgin?
Yes, the great one, yes. We are 100% sure. She's a virgin.
Then kill her and put her into the casket.
Fast! Hold her! Just hold her legs. Hold her legs. Hold her legs. Let's go. Bring her up! So, what should we do? Let's close it. Okay, fast. Cover it. Red one! Yeah. Please, we are done.
The sacrifice is about to begin. Wait for 5 minutes, and your money will be bring.
Thank you, the great one.
A moment of silence.
Please! What might be the cause of this?
This girl is not a virgin. You guys won't be punished.
Great one is a virgin!
She has aborted 3 solid babies. With this disgrace, you face the consequences.
The great one, please pardon us. Pardon us. We'll bring you a new one.
You have been cursed.
Please, I'm not part of them. The great one, please. So let me go. You can pardon us. Tega, I've never lied before. I swear the lady is a virgin. Uptown. Huh? You see what you caused? I'm telling the truth. She's a virgin. I was even once living in the same house with her. Trust me, for crying out loud. I'm not lying. She is a virgin. You're a liar. I'm not a liar. Take her. So why you all guys putting the blame on what you do now? Easy. So for now, what are we going to do?
I don't know.
Sorry, I'm even confused.
Oh God.
What the hell have you gotten ourselves into?
Huh? Oh God.
I don't even know where we are right now. Where is Tega? Wait.
Friends. What? What is that?
Take it easy. We have to leave here.
Yes, Tika.
So what should we do?
I don't know, Tika.
Where is Uptown? And what about the other girl?
I don't know. Tika, you have to go home.
What is this?
What?
No, give me the touch.
What? Oh, Tika.
Is that you? Where is Teka?
Oh, Uptown. Tika is dead.
Oh my God! Teka is dead!
Tika is dead. No.
You know, Sarah too is dead. You have caught her. You have caught her and killed her.
Oh my God.
They killed her in front of me.
Help me. I don't want to die. I don't want to die here.
You know what? You know what? Wait. Just count on me, okay? I'm going to try my possible best to find a way out. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Just lean on me.
Okay.
You find a way out.
I don't want to die here.
Wait.
I want to go.
It's nothing. Calm down. Exercise patience. Okay? We are going to manage to find our way out, okay? Trust me. I'm taking you out, okay? We are not going to die. Okay? You are not going to die. You are not going to die. Easy. Easy. Let's pass this way. Let's take this way. Come on. Easy. Slowly. Slowly. Let's take a rest, okay? Sit down. Let's rest for a while. Oh, dear Lord. Dear Lord, why? Just save us. Henceforth, we are not going to do this. We will never do this again. Forgive us our trespasses. I'm tired. I'm tired. From now, we are going to give our life to you, Christ. If you are able to save us from this catastrophe, God, we will worship you for the rest of our lives.
Yes, oh God, save me.
I'll serve you with even my last breath. Just show us the
I
way.
want to go home.
Show us the way. Take us home in peace. No, let's pray. Let's pray.
Let's pray.
Let's give our life to Christ. God, show us the way. Show us the way to live. Oh, Lord! Oh, Lord! Save me! Lord, save me! Lord, save me! Save me! Save me!
Ah!